Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to make a quick video and explain to everybody out there and also invite technicians in and around our area to our hands-on training events that we are putting on here at DeBoer's Auto. So what we are actually doing are bringing in the trainers that you typically see at Vision, that you see at the local PA Tools event or Super Saturday or over at G. Trulia's big event, and we're bringing in these trainers into our facility here at DeBoer's Auto. We have a training center where we spend part of the time in the training center going over the practical knowledge that you need, and then we go into the shop and actually do hands-on training. So very unique. It's what our guys love the most. That's why we started bringing it in-house to take care of it, because we couldn't find it out there in the marketplace. And we wanted to open this up to other technicians in the area as well that are looking to develop their skills as technicians. So you can check this out and some more information about the events coming up, or just more about DeBoer's Auto at www.autorepair.shop.